Folks, I believe these 4 stocks are screaming buy right now, and today I am not giving you one name, I am giving you 4 penny stocks, all under $3, all showing up on today's screener with real volume, real stories, real catalysts, real reasons to pay attention. Here is how this works. Number 42. Number 1, every stock gets more interesting as we go, and number 1 today is the one with a volume spike so big I had to look at it twice. Stay until the end, because the best one is always last. So if you like finding opportunities like this before the crowd, hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Let's aim for 500 likes so more people can benefit from this. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now let's get into it. Now let's talk about stock number 4, and this one connects gaming, media and artificial intelligence in a way most people are completely missing. This company started in esports, digital entertainment, streaming analytics, creator marketing. They worked with some of the biggest names in gaming and connected brands to the next generation of consumers. But then they evolved. They built an AI-powered platform that manages the full creator marketing lifecycle from start to finish. 55 million creators inside their database. Enterprise brands paying real money for access. And then something happened this month that most investors do not notice. The company repurchased nearly 2.3 million of its own shares in a single month, spending approximately $1 million of their own cash. At an average price of 44 cents per share, a company that buys back its own stock at these levels is not a company that thinks it is going down. It is a company that believes the current price is wrong. Full year 2025 revenue was $45 million, 2026 guidance $85 to $90 million. That is close to double in a single year, with positive adjusted EBITDA projected, stock around 28 cents. The company is GameSquare Holdings, ticker GAME, Nasdaq. Now hold on, because the next stock took 40 years to become what it is today. Now let's talk about stock number 3, and this one took 40 years to become what it is today. This company was founded in 1982. Not as a tech company, not as an AI company. As a cash security firm, moving money, protecting assets, serving banks and government clients across Asia Pacific. For decades completely invisible to most investors. But then they made a decision that most companies their age never make. They rebuilt themselves into an agentic AI company. Not just regular AI that answers questions. Agentic AI that takes actions, makes decisions, completes entire tasks on its own. And that technology is already working in retail stores, tracking inventory in real time using AI cameras. In hospitals, delivering AI-powered therapy solutions. In travel apps, planning complete trips autonomously for real users. A global sportswear brand just extended their contract, adding 5 new locations for 2026. Gross profit up 16% year over year. Losses cut by 80%, a $5 million share. Buyback active right now, and earnings coming May 4th. Stock under 60 cents. The company is Guardforce AI, ticker GFI, Nasdaq. Now brace yourself, because the next stock has a technology that governments around the world are paying to test right now. Now let's talk about stock number 2, and this one has a government weapon contract that almost nobody is talking about. This company started in lasers, industrial blue lasers, used in manufacturing electric vehicle batteries, medical devices and high-tech components. Very specific, very technical. Then they looked at the battlefield, and they saw the problem no government can solve fast enough. Drones, small, fast, cheap, deadly. And they said, we already have the technology to stop them. They acquired a European defense firm focused on one thing only: counter-drone directed energy weapons, a portable laser device that destroys a drone in seconds. On March 31, 2026, the first real deployment order arrived. From a Tier 1 government defense partner, $250,000, first real defense revenue, $24 million cash in hand, $17 million of debt eliminated, European acquisition pending, earnings coming May 18th, stock at 27 cents. The company is Nubaru Incorporated. Ticker Buru, NYSE American. Now one stock remains, number 1. And this one has a volume number that stopped me cold this morning. Now let's talk about stock number 1, and this is the most important stock on today's entire list. This company started with one idea. What if you could charge an electric vehicle anywhere in the world without needing any grid connection at all? No power lines. No existing infrastructure required. Just solar panels built directly into a self-contained portable charging unit. They called it the EV Arc. Governments ordered it immediately. Military bases deployed it. Cities in Europe started buying. Then they expanded beyond EV charging into battery storage systems, smart city infrastructure, drone charging technology, robotics power solutions. Revenue jumped 56% from Q3 to Q4 of 2025 alone. Backlog grew to $9 million as of March 2026. No debt, no going concern, a $100 million unused credit line sitting available, a brand new joint venture just launched in Abu Dhabi targeting the entire Middle East and Africa market, and Maxim Group just maintained their buy rating with a price target of $3.50. Stock currently around $1.93. Now here is the number that stopped me this morning. Today this stock traded over 6 million shares. Its average daily volume, 390,000. That means today's volume was over 15 times the normal level. 15 times in one day, when volume spikes 15 times before an earnings catalyst that is not random. Something is building. 52-week high $4.04. Stock sitting more than 50% below that right now. No debt, no going concern, Middle East expansion, 15 times normal volume today. The company is Beam Global, ticker BEAM, Nasdaq. Now let me be completely honest. Every single one of these carries serious risk. Some are burning cash, some are pre-revenue at scale, some have volatile price histories. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. All stocks mentioned are high-risk speculative investments. You could lose your entire investment.